Hey guys, so today, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be showing you my slimes. First to last.
So the first slimes are little...
The little weird ones. You guys better be excited. You actually should. They feel all greasy and they squirt out these balls.
Bart ball.
Oh, because I put like these beads in them and I was like too stupid. I was 7 and now I'm 9 and like, yeah, I made this 2 years ago. They're so gross.
Ew, okay, I can't touch that anymore. We loved it. We were like, oh my gosh, it's slime.
And we didn't know how to make slime. We thought you poured the whole bowl of borax in.
No, we have to go.
You actually just put teaspoons in.
Titty.
That's not the next one. These are.
Okay.
Me and Emily made these, my other friend. Don't go check out her channel. This is Unipuff. No, not this one. This one.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
And this is her slime. But the color, I love it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's so bright. And this one's really ugly. And still, we'll tell you when we didn't start pouring the whole bowl of borax in.
See this, like.
Okay, the next one.
Wait.
So excited. Oh, and this one. Which one do you want to squish? Yellow or blue?
I'm gonna try blue.
The blue is pretty good, but the yellow, it's a no-no.
Just the blue one.
I know, that blue one's really good because we put shaving cream in it. This one we put shaving cream in too. It just kind of is like,
Oh my gosh.
I mean, it's still
There's so
cool.
much of
It's
this
just
blue.
not very good. Because, you know,
It's
you
very
try and
sparkly.
stick it, like, together. Like, you know how if you fold this one, it, like, sticks together? This one is just kind of like the ones where you pour in all the boring.
Oh, like, this one's really droopy. No.
Put it away.
Jade, help me. What is on the screen?
There's slime on the screen. On the camera.
Ew, Jade, look at.
Brightness just went down.
I'll be right back. I'm
Turn
gonna
it
go wash my hands.
Ah! No! There. Sorry about that. You might not be able to see that, but like the brightness just got like. Okay, I'll show you the next one without her. This one we also made with. This is where we started not pouring all the borax in. From this slime.
Hi. What slime are we showing now?
This one.
Take it out, Jade.
And then we have this one. Here, I'll like put the camera down. You might not be able to see that, but it's like.
There's this cool one too. I love this one.
Yeah, that one is so amazing. It's like, we made it with sparkly glue, glitter glue. And that is actually, is there any way? Oh, we forgot this one. It's not, oh, we forgot too. This one is not actually
Did we do this one
slime.
already?
Yeah.
I wasn't there, was I?
Yeah, you were. You were doing the blue one. This isn't even slime.
Yeah,
This is flour, salt, and water. Look at how
Don't lick
stretchy
it.
it is.
It's disgusting.
Don't lick slime. It has borax in it.
Yeah, but I licked it.
This one is so...
Dude, I'm gonna blow a bubble.
Ew, this one tastes like
Slime
salt.
Oh, and we also, is that the clay?
Dough.
Yeah.
Do.
It really is something. I like to blow.
Okay. I'll show you.
It's not blowing.
This was like the 4th one we made, actually. I forgot to show you it, but it is freaking disgusting.